scores, your score, okay, during presentation. So, we'll have first, group number 1, okay, lack of mastery, okay, it's very common. Now, in our presentations, the most common, so may common nga lapses ninyo. Number 1 is okay, mastery and you did not memorize your song. Why? Ang ano mang ang uban na section na memorize na wala. Sige. What is the reason behind? Ano mang wala na memorize? Okay, group 1, you have good composition, lively performance for group 1. So let's give them a big hand. So when you present, give your 110%. Di bawal maglingi-lingi during final presentation. That is why mastery is very important. Okay, especially those performances, jingle, dance,